get that close to you. I have some wet food though, maybe shove them out.
Mommy, I see
The dog?
Yeah.
But she's been here for months now.
Yeah.
We'll take her. I seen her breeding like months ago, and then I thought she was pregnant, and that's why I rushed and trapped her and tried to bring her in. She must have had a miscarriage or whatnot, or she just can't give birth.
Pregnancy.
Yeah. Yeah, she goes under there and she lays under trucks. That's why I said she lays under the trucks. That one's, since it's so far out, that one's probably like someone that works there, so they don't leave frequently. Yeah. But it's still dangerous, you know. Sure. She goes and lays under these trucks to stay cool.
Yeah, well, I mean, I just think in line with, you know, when it cools down, it gets darker, they just have to see what time is it?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do, whatever you think is going to work.
Yep.
She might be hungry enough.
No, he did.
I mean, we can try and see. Or if you want to
Well,
do it tonight.
Hit to a meeting,
Yeah, that's fine.
So, I mean, if you want to do
I recommend later. That would be my
later.
vote.
Okay, that's fine. We can do it later this evening. I'll go pick
With
up
all
the
this
food.
traffic too, I just hate to start this and she gets nervous and darts. You know, it's mowed
She
over.
actually is sadly pretty smart about the cars, but you know.
I'm looking for some dinner. America's over there. Now we'll see if she wants hamburgers. Oh yeah, yeah. When she goes to the rescue, she'll go to the vet. She'll get spayed, so she won't have any puppies. She will get all her vaccinations and any other, you know, injuries or illness that they find, they will treat, and then the rescue will help find her. That's good. There just are so many animals out there. Every little bit helps. And this poor dog has been living out here for a long time. We're from Michigan, actually, but Houston has such a big stray dog problem. Stray dogs that are our issue right now. Oh, really? What area? No. Yes? for today, actually. There were, I'm sure we went by, yeah. What was the name of it? Yeah. Okay.
So, oh, hi, Tom. What I'm going to try to do is, since she went back in her bushes, I'm going to go set the trap closer to her now, since she's back in hiding. That's how I got her before. And I'm going to just throw some cheeseburgers in there so she gets the good taste, and then hopefully that'll lure her out. We'll see if that works. If not, then I'll give her a little bit and try to go in with a catch pole.
Very good.
If not.
Let me see you for a second.
I see the bushes moving. There she is. There she is. Will she follow the trail? Go in the trail. It's usually not this easy. We'll see. She's a little weary, but they've got the blanket down, so it's pretty comfortable. She just needs to go a little bit further to hit the release. A little further. There we go.
It's all right, baby. Gonna be okay, huh? Gonna be okay, Mama? You're gonna be okay? America. America. Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. It's okay. So I think they are gonna follow us to Berkeley. So I would probably just follow you guys. Just pick my truck and show you guys. Yeah. So you want to morning lab is like the same thing. Oh, he's on the phone. Yeah, bring this up. Mama. Mama. America. What are you looking at, huh? You get to get out of this place. That's how you got your name, but
She can say goodbye to her little bed over here.
oh yeah.
Little bed.
What side does the door go up? That one? So we need to slide it in this way?
Yeah, you're okay. It's okay, baby. All right. It's okay. So this is the second time I've been back.
Help save a life today. Your donation will send the World Animal Awareness Society team on our next mission. From all of us here at the World Animal Awareness Society and WA2S Films, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. It's an animal world out there. Watch the World Animal Awareness Society channel and feel right at home. Come, sit, subscribe, and stay a while.